Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Meta's Edits AI for face retouching in photos. Let's get started. First, open the Meta AI app on your device. Then here on the left side of the screen, tap the plus icon to start editing and choose a photo or a selfie that you want to enhance from your photo library. And here in the main prompt box, clearly describe how you want the face retouch, like this example prompt here. And once done typing your prompt, let the meta edits analyze and apply requested changes and review the edited photo. If it's not exactly what you want, you can adjust the prompt for softer and stronger effects. You can download your retouched photo, save, and share it to your social media platforms. With Meta Edits AI, face retouching is quick, easy, and natural looking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.